Okay, hi. This week in your homework you're going to have problem 8. And problem 8 is a type of problem that is not really covered in the chapter. So what I'm doing here is giving you a similar problem so you understand how this type of problem is solved. So let's look at problem number 8 in the homework. It says Jake paid $100.70 for a color printer. This cost included a 6% tax. How much did the printer itself before the tax cost? All right, so here is a similar problem. The similar problem is the total cost, including a 5% tax for a car, was $21,000. What was the original cost of the car before the tax? So what we do is we let X equal the cost of the car before the tax. Then, since the tax is 5%, we can represent that as 0.05 times X. That will be the tax on the cost of the car. Therefore, the cost of the car is the original cost plus, which we'll call X, we don't know what it is, plus 5% of X, which can be represented as 0.05X, and the total of these two is $21,000. So now what we need to do is to solve for X. Now if you notice, we have two terms, both of which have X in them. Therefore X is a common factor of X and 0.05X. So we can factor that out and using the distributive property. And therefore X appears before the parentheses. X times 1 plus 0.05 equals 21,000. And then 1 plus 0.05 is equal to 1.05. And therefore we have 1.05x is equal to 21,000. Then to solve for x, all we need to do is divide 21,000 by 1.05, and our final answer is 20,000, okay? So that's how that kind of problem is done, and it's very similar to the problem that you actually have on your homework. Hope this helps.